Hey guys, I'm Swancy Fernandes and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today's video is just a small introduction about my channel and my upcoming videos. So my videos are going to be on DIY, fashion, singing and the stuff I like. So stay tuned. And if you want to see some interesting stuff coming your way, then do like, share and subscribe to my channel. And hit that bell icon so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. And yeah, that's it. See you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching.